Hi, I'm Trish with WTI. So I've suffered with leg cramps my whole life, and I'm always looking for good magnesium supplements. This particular supplement has actually been very beneficial for me because it's easy for my body to digest. It has magnesium glycinate in it, and it is very easy for my body to digest. One of the things that I really liked about it too is it has another supplement in it that they abbreviate as PEA that helps with inflammation. And I've also struggled with having tendonitis and inflammation my whole life, and this really does seem to help with that. So just to give you an idea, the quality that this particular supplement has, you can see they've done a really nice job of providing a good quality product so that you will be able to digest this and get the most out of it. It's been very beneficial for me, and although it says the man's pantry, I think it works for women too. But that's just my point of view.